Hey, I'm Eddy, founder and CEO of AchvMate and The Perfect Pitch. I'm a full-stack web developer and product designer with a passion for building tools that help people level up. Whether it's building a business, committing to a goal, or getting that big idea out of your head and into the real world. We built AchvMate to be the goal execution platform for creators, entrepreneurs, and ambitious self-starters. And with The Perfect Pitch, we're giving you a powerful new way to test your ideas with real-time AI investor feedback, fun, fast, and actually useful. I built AchvMate to scratch my own itch, and now I'm obsessed with making this the place where ambition meets execution.
Hi everyone, I'm Elvis, and I'm the community and creator manager here at AchvMate. My job is simply to spotlight amazing people using our tools, support the growing creator network, and make sure our vibes stay high energy, supportive, and real. We're building more than just tools. We're building a movement of creators and doers who are tired of spinning their wheels.
Hi, I'm Rebeka, lead content producer here. I create all the videos, tutorials, and onboarding content to help you get the most out of AchvMate and The Perfect Pitch. I love turning complex features into simple, beautiful stories that get people excited to take action. We are small but resourceful, and we move fast because we know the people we serve do too.
Thanks for checking us out. Can't wait to see what you pitch.
Let's make your goals real.